Okay folks, this is a quick one. I'm going to go ahead and test this guy out now. You don't know the name of this knife company, and I'm not going to tell you. If it does well, I'll tell you. I'm not gonna beat another knife distributor in the head, whether I like them or not. So let me get up there and mount this thing up there, and I'm going to hang on it. And I'm going to see if it'll break. Okay, I'll run that nut up so it doesn't twist. This is a longer knife. Okay, here we go. Move the ladder over. That knife actually did really well. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. It doesn't open like it did before. It's a bit stiffer. And I didn't bounce on it. But something inside is, I think, bent. Because before, it's a pretty broken in knife as you can look at it. I've used this guy a lot. And it's really stiff. Okay, well, there's some damage. I think maybe the pin might be bent, but all in all, it did a good job. And I was thinking actually that this back lock here would actually buckle. So, good job, Lynn Thompson. Okay, I guess I get to keep this knife after all. But there is something bent. I did bend something. I don't know what. I think it might be the pin. So anyhow, it's still there. I can still use it. Camping knife. Okay, I'm gonna go get the bike. Thank you for watching.